Welcome to Harvey Cooper Cars. This is our 2024 Jaguar F-Pace R Dynamic HSE Black all-wheel drive, finished in the Carpathian Grey Premium Metallic. It comes with a full Jaguar main dealer service history, and it also benefits from the remainder of a manufacturer warranty until March 2027. But just working our way around, starting at the front, being the black, we do have the gloss black front grille, the other black styling details to the lower bumper. We've got the LED headlights, a set of 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We've also got some fixed side steps, making it easier to get into and out of the vehicle. Privacy glass to the rear. Keyless entry. And we've also got the upgraded sliding panoramic roof, as well as the supremely comfortable Windsor leather interior. The front seats are heated, cooled, and have massage functionality. 16-way, so lots of adjustability. Illuminated tread plates. The Meridian sound system is fantastic, and it's also got the extended leather package as well. So you've got the contrast stitching on top of the door cards, the lower armrest as well, and on the top of the dash, giving that premium luxurious feel. We've got wireless charging, we've got Apple CarPlay support, the 11.4 infotainment system that is shared with Land Rover. It's really fantastic. They've really upped the game recently with that. Heated steering wheel. As we work our way into the back, it does make a real difference having the sunroof. So you've got a lot of natural light flooding in. The vehicle's only covered 29,000 miles. And it does come in this very desirable colour. You've got a reversing camera and an electrically opening tailgate. The gloss black exterior accents give it a contemporary flourish. Ambient lighting, of course, inside. Adaptive cruise control. Lane keep assist. So if you'd like any more information on this Jaguar F-Pace, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks again.